Hey friends, today we're putting up a pegboard. So basically what you want to do first off is mark where you want all your screws to go. So I'm not sure the best way to do it. This is kind of how I'm doing it, is find out where your screws are, where you want them. So I want one here and then like every 16 inches or something like that. And then the difficult part is putting these little spacers behind it. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So these little things go behind the pegboard, and between that, the wood behind and the pegboard. So kind of hard to get them in the middle here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to mark where I want my screws, take the pegboard off, and then we're going to put the screw through, put the spacer on the back side, and then we're going to put this back up here and screw it in there, and hopefully they all stay. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so basically what I did is marked each little spot where I want the screw to go through with a little pen mark. So here, every few, I don't have to do a whole bunch, but I like to overdo it rather than underdo it. So I marked all my spots where I want my screws all evenly and make sure there were studs behind them. Okay, now I'm going to pull this off, put the spacers behind and put the screw through the front, put them back up here, and hopefully just be able to screw them in there. So that's what we're going to show you here. Alright, so the main problem is when you're trying to do this is you get the screw on there, especially in the middle, and you go to put your pegboard on, and guess what happens? Well, your thing falls off. So now you're stuck with, maybe you got them all on and the last one falls off. So now you got to take them all off and try to get back on there, and that's not going to be fun. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of tape, and I'm just using regular like painter's tape, masking tape, whatever. And I'm going to kind of fold this over like that and wrap it around the threads right here. Okay. Alright, now what I'm going to do is take our spacer, and I'm going to put that spacer on there and basically kind of just screw it on there. Okay. Now you do that to all of them, and there's no way that's going to come off of there. Okay, so you're not going to have the problem of that falling off. Now, once we have all those in, we'll simply put up our pegboard and screw it in. Okay, so thanks for watching this. Hope you guys hope it makes your life a little easier in getting your pegboard up. Have a good day. All right, friends. So just want to show you kind of what I did here. So I put the board up, and all of them are hanging out a little bit, so kind of loose there. So what you want to do is, to make sure the backs don't fall off, you want to make sure you don't screw them in all the way. So when you get this one started, just screw in a couple enough to hold your pegboard on. If you look at the back here, you can see I put the backs on. I didn't have regular all of them like this for that, the regular spacers, but focus on that. Focus, there we go. So I just used some other ones that I happen to have the same size. So basically put some tape on there, screwed them on there a little bit, make sure they're not going to fall off. So you can see, well, you can see back in there, maybe, can you? That I have multiple ones hanging there every foot or so. And you probably don't need that much, but I like overkill rather than underkill. So when you're putting these on, you want to make sure that you have a little bit of space. Don't screw these on all the way, just enough to hold your board. And then kind of when you're going to put them in, just kind of line it up there and then screw it in. Okay, so like that. So if it's down a little bit, line it up. And line it up straight, and then screw them in. And I recommend once you get a couple that are holding it, then just kind of screw all of them in about enough so they're going into the wood, you know. and then kind of go back over and tighten them all up. So that's how I did it. Hope this helps. I mean, it would be a pain to get a bunch of them in and maybe have your spacers in the middle fall out or something. So that's why I made this video, to help you guys out. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. Take care.